I'm trying to accomplish. So if my goal for her is she tends to buckle in, and I want to teach her how to go out, so what I'm going to do is create the vector in the direction of, yes, of the failure. Feed the failure. We're going into the direction. So I'm going to create internal rotation, like this. Then I'm going to have her grab the other end here with that hand. Now, she can just hold it there. Now it's creating an internal rotation. Now she's going external. She's learning how to do the opposite. Right? So if she's doing this, I want to teach her how to go out. So what she's doing is she's stabilizing here, and she's just doing this. So we call that the Elvis exercise. Elvis Presley. You remember him?
Of course.
Right. So that's the Elvis exercise. But this is not very functional because she's still thinking about it. So what we do instead is we teach her how to be reactive. So what we do is we get her into the proper alignment with that rotational vector that she's stabilizing. Now she's going to lift her right arm out to the side. See? Stabilizing here. Now if she fails, what happens? The knee buckles in. So the exercise is for her to stabilize and then be able to move her arm out. And she can just go straight out, or she can do a P&F pattern. She can do whatever she wants. See? And the band stays there with that internal rotation vector.
And you can do it just with a loop-through technique, but this way when you spiral, it gives it more stability when you're doing that exercise as well.
And it gives you that more rotational spiral transverse plane as well. Okay? So we can also go, if we wanted to, just go the opposite direction. See? And then if we wanted to, you can bring it, and again, behind her, and she can do the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. So all kinds of variations that you can use for whatever you need to accomplish, right? So this is creating the internal rotation, and it also brings in that posterior chain. All right? So if we take all of that, and we bring it to, you can take that all off. We bring it back to our sports, and be very, again, specific to our activities. You see here, this is wrapped around her ankles and her hands, and she's doing a volleyball ball. Tennis player, lateral exercises while she's holding the racket. This could be American football receiver, baseball, golf. So again, we're taking these exercises to the next level. And don't forget that we are incorporating these unstable surfaces. So make sure that you have the balls, the balance training, the same things we've done in regular bands, you need to incorporate instability as well. So we'll just finalize the safety. It's all of the same safety as the other bands. We cannot emphasize enough protecting the